Stage presence can be taught. In this video, I'll be sharing one hand gesture mistake that you're probably making right now that is hurting your credibility, influence, and charisma whenever you speak. This simple hand gesture can make you sound aggressive, demanding, and completely turn your listeners off. If you're a business owner, a coach, a lecturer, or a leader who teaches for a living, delivers presentations, or speaks on camera, then this video is for you. Hello, my name is Sal, and this is where I share public speaking strategies and tools to help you grow your confidence, influence, and income. Listen, I've been guilty of using this hand gesture myself. If you go back to any of my earlier videos, you'll notice that I have pointed at you before. Now, I'm not planning to delete any of those videos because it shows that I didn't start out knowing it all. And in fact, in many ways, I'm still learning every single day. But now that I know better, I thought I'd share a public speaking mistake with you that you're probably doing. Pointing with your index finger is a big no-no. It doesn't really matter if you're speaking in person or virtually. The reality is people don't like to be pointed at. When we point at someone, it can seem a little invasive. So instead of pointing with your index finger whenever you are addressing your audience, what I would suggest is pointing with your palm open. If you watch any of my recent videos, you'll notice that I don't use my index finger anymore. I use an open palm to address you. And you can use your open palm to point at the camera lens or even point at something or point at your audience and still sound friendly. Let me give you an example. I'd like to invite you to pay attention to this versus I'd like to invite you to pay attention to this. See? Remember to practice using your open palm gesture until it feels more natural to you. I know I only promised to share one tip in this video, but there's another hand gesture mistake that I see quite a lot, specifically during in-person presentations. So instead of making a separate video to address that, I thought I'd just share it here with you since we're already talking about hand gesture mistakes during public speaking engagements. If you allow your hand to hold your arm like this while you're speaking or listening to feedback, it signals insecurity and uncertainty. So please avoid it if you can. I post a lot of videos on public speaking, presentation, tips and tricks, and communication skills. In my next video, I'll be sharing 9 hand gestures to make you look more confident and charismatic in your next public speaking gig. In the meantime, while you wait for that video, you can watch this video right here where I share 3 tips to overcome stage fright. Be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button. Have an amazing day. Take care. I believe in you, and I will see you on the next one.